Hello again, welcome back to Between the Keys, teaching my way through the US Top 40. Unusual that you can't see me, but slight cold still today, so gonna do without video for today, but we're on song 39. Song 39 is Feather by Sabrina Carpenter. The chords you need for this one are B minor, A major 7, F sharp 7, dominant. That's about it, really. If we start off with the first verse, we start off with that B minor 7, which is here, root position. Now, there is actually a slight intro, I lied. A major 7, she just sings do 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 do. That's A major 7 and that's F sharp 7 there. Those are the three chords. Now I'm going to change the positioning. We call it an inversion. If you don't know about this, there is stuff about this on my channel already in the How Much Jazz Can I Teach in an Hour? I did 3-part series on that. A 3-part series, but you can move the A and the F sharp down, and there you can play your B minor 7 like that. Instead of here, you play it here. Your A major 7, you can start on the major 7, the G sharp. That would normally be, I'm moving it down, moving that note down to there. So you get do 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 do, and then the F sharp you can keep in root position. F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, E. Oh, not another take. Okay, verse 1. Oh, it's like that. I'm your dream come true. When it's on a platter for you. Then you pulled back. When I try to make my plans more than 2 hours in advance. Doesn't rhyme because I'm English. If I was American, I would have said advance and plans, which kind of rhymes. But being British has its drawbacks for songwriting. That's why Elton John started singing in an American accent, right? Anyway, I'll be doing some Elton John's songs soon on the channel, so stay tuned for those. Something to note with the rhythm of this song is that it's about that speed. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, hit ignored. 1, 2, 3, 4. But the chords come in on the end of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, and dream come true on a platter for you. Okay. She pulled back when I tried to make the plans more than 2 hours in advance. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. If you don't understand what I'm saying there, it's basically coming in early with every single chord. It gives the song a bit more urgency. It changes the feel. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and you're coming in on that and after beat 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, and you basically use those chords all the way through the song. Pre-chorus, I slam the door, I hit ignore. The B minor 7 often hits twice. Slam the door, I hit ignore. I say no, no more, and I got you blocked after this and after 4. I finally cut you off. So that B minor 7 hits twice. I feel so much lighter like a feather with you off my mind. Oh, floating through the memories like whatever. You're a waste of time. And it's hard for me to hit the end of 4 without any beat going. So without any kind of metronome, you need to be counting, or you need to play along to the song, and you need to feel that groove, and you need to hear where those chords are coming in. They're coming in on the end of 4 every time. Signals are mixed. You act like a bitch. Fit every stereotype. Sin to pick. I feel so much lighter like a feather with you out my life. With you out my life. Post-chorus is just do-do-doos, do-do-do-do-doos, do-do-do-do-do. Like a feather, like a feather, like a feather. F sharp 7. These 3 chords for the whole song. Next up you have verse 2. Feels so good not caring when you are where you are tonight, and it feels so good not pretending to like the wine you like. Excuse me. Pre-chorus. Slam the door, hit the ignore. Say no, 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 no more. I got you blocked. Excited to never talk. I am so sorry for your loss. Ha ha ha. Chorus. I feel so much lighter like a feather with you off my mind. Can't remember the melody exactly, of course, having only listened to it once. But then we go to the bridge. Do do do. Make sure you hit the right bass note there. B. Do 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 do. Like a feather, like a feather, like a feather. You want me, I'm done. You miss me, no duh. Where I am in love, where I'm at. You want me, I'm done. You miss me, so duh. Where I'm at, I'm where I'm at. And we go to the outro, which is you want me, I'm done. Same as the bridge, really. You want me, I'm done. Feels so much lighter with you off my mind. Other thing to know is you have a synth sound on your keyboard. You might want to use it. So the one I have here is it this one? It's a little bit too Britney Spears, but for this purpose it'll do. You want me, I'm done. You miss me, no duh. Where I'm at, I'm in love. Love you where I'm at. And you want me, I'm done. You miss me, no duh. Where I'm at, I'm up where I'm at. So you can use a synth sound if you have one, of course. I actually prefer Rhodes for most use cases. If I was playing this in a function band, for example. Anyway, I like the sound of Rhodes. That's the whole song. You just need those 3 chords. Crazy, right? We went from 4 chord songs to 3 chord songs. What's next? No chord songs? Let's find out. Coming up on Between the Keys is going to be the final song of the US Top 40, which is Lovin' On Me by Jack Harlow. Although in saying that, that's September, and now we're in October. Things might have changed. There might be new songs to play. Let me have a look. The Boy's Mine, covered that already. Heatstroke by Khalid, that's a new one I believe. Got a few others here. Apple by Charlie XCX, don't think I've listened to that. Whoops, we did. Yeah, might have a few new ones in October to add to the list, so I'll take a listen to those too. Anyway, there'll also be some Elton John, Adele, Bruno Mars, and many other artists' famous songs, even Paolo Nutini. And Coldplay coming up on the channel. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and press subscribe, and that will help the channel out immensely, I hope. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching and listening. Hope it helped.